And this is another extended wear attachment that we offer, and it's called our crown mesh system. What I like the most about this system can come as long as 22 inches, of course, and we attach it on the top of your head via mesh integration. And mesh integration sometimes requires extra hair, and we can attach that as well if we need it. But my favorite thing about mesh integration is that the pieces are really nice. They're 5.5 by 7.5 average, and you can double it when you decide. If you decide I don't want to wear mesh integration anymore, we turn your piece into a topper. So I love the idea of mesh integration. One of my favorite types. Normally, with this, of course, you have to blend your hair down in the back for a short hairstyle. But if you have long hair, of course, you still have to blend your longer piece in with your hair in the back. So we have all different lengths. So it's perfect for somebody. They have lace fronts and they have non-lace fronts. So if you want one that's more of a shorter style like this, and you don't necessarily need a lace front, we have that option. And we have the ones with lace in the front, so you can indeed have it go back or wear it behind the hairline. So I like this one as well.